Hello everyone. This is Shenzhen Wideway. Remote control. Adjustment 15. If the speed exceeds 15, the red light will turn on. Below 15, the green light. Adjust the speed of traffic through the remote control. The red light turns on when the set speed is exceeded. Green light turns on when the speed is lower than the set speed. There are two buttons. A and B buttons are for increasing. Each click increases by 5. CD is the speed reduction. CD is also a setting that reduces the value by 5. Why are there two colors, red and green? Because red and green combine to make yellow.